Welcome, Wise County Messenger. We are excited to show you the 12 great features of this fabulous listing in Paradise. Custom drawers, 11 nights by the fire, 11 hours raking, 9 roomy closets, 8 peaceful neighbors, 7 bright windows, 6 breezy fans, 5 Santas laughing,
Ha ha ha! Only 4 miles from school.
3 cozy bedrooms, 2 luscious acres, and 1 real estate team for you. The address to this fantastic home is 116 Deerfield Road in Paradise. For more information, call us at 940-210-8088.
We sell with soul, and we're never too busy for your referrals.